And one of the ways to really have a great application is to use clear writing, and that's a paragraph. That's the building block of writing, is a very great paragraph. We're going to talk about that right now. Each paragraph, when you're writing or when you're outlining here in the next 2 days, you always want a topic sentence. Tell the person what you're about to talk about. It introduces the main idea of the paragraph and what they're next going to read. Then you have supporting sentences, usually 2, 3, or 4, that will support what you said, and then you have a closing sentence. You're often restating the idea of the paragraph in different words, bringing the reviewer or the reader back to what they just read. And then you go on to the next paragraph. It sounds very simple, and it is, but it can take time to write really good paragraphs. So here's an example I found online that I've always liked. Here's a topic sentence. There are 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. What are the next few sentences going to be about after you read that sentence? 3 reasons. That's right. So you're already telling the reviewer what they're going to hear. There are 3 reasons why Delaware has X. You're telling people what they're going to read already. You're bringing them along. So there's 3 reasons why Canada is one of the best countries in the world. First, it has an excellent healthcare system. All Canadians have access to medical services at a reasonable price. Second, it has a high standard of education. Students are taught by well-trained teachers and encouraged to continue studying. Third, or finally, Canada's cities are clean and efficiently managed. They have many parks and lots of spaces for people to live in. And then the person wants to close that. They've already told you that's 3 reasons why they think Canada's a great place. They told you the 3, and then they say, as a result, Canada is a desirable place to live. They told you what they're going to tell you, they told you, and they told you again, 3 different ways. They brought you right back. That's each paragraph in your application is how you want that to be. Sounds very simple. So how do you do it? You always think carefully about what you're going to write. What question am I going to answer with this paragraph? And that's your topic sentence. Canada is one of the best places in the world to live. Then after I write that, or you write that, list the things you know and just use short words or phrases. Why is that? Why is it hard for EMTs to reach mountainous areas? Write those things down that you want to do. And then use your short list of words to create sentences, and then put your sentences in order, and then create a good topic and closing sentence. And you'll have a great paragraph to bring you through your whole application. 2 or 3 paragraphs in each section can get you right through. So here's an example for NEATARC. We're in a competitive cycle, and we recently had to submit our competitive renewal. So I had to think about some things. I worked with Mike Ely and Mike Dean and Sally Jo Zuspan on our application. We had to think about things in our opening paragraph for NEATARC, so I just wrote some stuff down. Here's some things. I took these short words, say established 1995. The National EMSC Data Analysis Resource Center was established in 1995. So from the short words, I put a sentence. Training and workshops. NEATARC also provides formal workshops and instruction in EMSC-related topics, including statistics, data collection, survey design, quality improvement, and data acquisition. So from those short words, I made a sentence. I put them in a order. Think about what comes first after the topic sentence, second, third, and then your closing sentence. Here's how I ordered it. So the National Analysis Resource Center was established in 1995. That was my topic sentence. Here's some supporting sentence. It's funded by the primary purpose. Here's what we provide by telephone, email, and in person. We provide workshops. I took all of that stuff. And then here's my closing sentence for the reviewer. This proposal describes how NEATARC will support states and territories in the collection, analysis, and utilization of data for the EMSC state partnership performance measures to advance the delivery of quality pediatric emergency care. Then you go on to the next paragraph and the next one. So again, think in short sentences. Think of your topic sentence and your closing sentences and the supporting sentences in between. And start to just outline that for every section. So if you can leave here with some topic sentences and some short words underneath, when you get back to your office, you'll be able to keep filling it out. Strunk and White, The Elements of Style. It's a really great book to look at for general writing. But those are just examples. Again, if you get stuck as you're writing, take a look at these. There's just words that commonly need correction. There's examples of verbs to use. As T pointed out, you might not want to use the word for. So there's just some ways that you can write different things that might help you if you get writer's block when you get back to your office. So I think that those can be helpful also. More verbs, how to use other words. So just take a look at those. Declare, describe, we examined, we expressed. Just make sure first person active voice when you're writing.